Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to optimize Shopify images. Let's get started. So in order to have that, make sure also that you can resize it. So for example, let's head over and see this t-shirt. And then this t-shirt actually has an image inside it and the media right here. So let's head over and click on this right here. And we can also see in here the pixels for that. So as you can see, the pixels is quite big since it is actually 3000 by 1000 pixels. So we can change that by clicking on this resize button. So doing this will not decrease the quality, but it will only make it smaller in size. That way, it will be able to load faster when on your website. So for example, let's just put this at around 300 by 200. Now, as you can see, the image has been resized. So click on done right here. Then click on save right here. So it will take some time for this one to be updated. So just head over and save this as well. And then from in here, you can also just head over and add some brief description for the file for people with visual impairment or low bandwidth connections. So you click on add alt text right here. So let's put in green shirt. So after that, click on save alt text. And now this is what it will look like. Now, when you're in here, you can also head over and see what it looks like as well. So let's head over and click on the preview for this actual page right here. So this is what it will look like. As you can see, it takes quicker to actually put that in here. So when you click on this image right here, it's actually kind of blurry. So you need to look for the sweet spot of the pixels that you need for that. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.